Sandy here again, and we're back with another live. We're pretty excited today to bring you a Keepers collection, and I'm super excited today because we have the brand manager, Susan, and she's the expert on Keepers. So I'm pretty excited because she is going to tell us all the details about Keepers, and I can just be a model.
Hi ladies, I'm so happy that I'm here today to be with you all. Most importantly, to show you some of the great collection that we've got coming in for winter. We've had some great efforts in our styling department that we've only got brand new stock that's landed in the nest today, and we've got it here to preview just for you girls, so you're getting a sneak preview before anybody else. So again, I just want to explain. Now girls, this is my first live, so please forgive me if I fluff or stutter. I've got my absolute master at it here, Sandy, that'll help me guide me through. But yeah, so let's get the party started, girls. Now, first up we have Sandy wearing our beautiful little pixie dress. Now girls, the idea behind Bird Keepers is we want to do garments, the things that you can layer. The main three things that I look for when we're designing and putting the ranges together is that we give you classic styling, we give you timeless styling, and most importantly, we give you ageless styling. Therefore, you can be 20, you can be 100, style it how you want, and I mean, you're ready to go. So you can't ask me, Susan. It's like,
oh girls.
She can speak for herself on that one. I'll stay where I am, but thank you very much anyway. Thanks, Sandy. So, Sandy, if we're going to get you to...
Yeah, we'll wait for next
one.
one.
See, I've fluffed up all.
That's okay, we'll bring
one
them
down,
on.
more to go. Okay, first of all, we've got Steph. Now, this is in our beautiful true knits. Now, just a quick mention, our true knits have got a really beautiful, luxurious hand feel to them. This has got a 2 little pocket detail. Now, again, as we said with styling, we've put this back with opaque tights and the little tan boot, but this would be amazing as well. Little denim jacket, which you're going to see so much because this is like a wardrobe staple, and then put it back with a little runner, and it's really cute, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, absolutely. Super soft and beautiful and comfortable, so wonderful to wear. I love it.
Gorgeous. Okay, then, thank you, Steph. Then next we've got Shirt. Now, Shirt is wearing a dress that I absolutely love. Now, this is a great button-through style. It's a printed style, as you can see, in black ivory with a little touch of red. Now, the good thing about this, girls, it is 100% lined. So for you ladies that like to feel that you've got a little bit more coverage when you're wearing a dress, and it feels a little bit more layered, and also too, this time of year it's going to be really cold, so something to keep you warm. Another great thing about this, because it is a button through, you can do it as a duster style. So basically you could put on a jean, a little core t-shirt, throw this over the top. Again, girls, you've got another completely different look. So when you think about it, it's really good value for money with what we do. You saw the little biker jacket over the top, which is in a suede style. Excuse me. Girls, also do something else a lot that we do in the base cloth when we're looking at the product is I try to put as much elastane in the base cloth that we use. That way you're getting stretch and most of all, comfort. Okay. I mean, we're all wanting the comfort these days. Thank you, Cher.
Another outfit on.
And this is appropriately named our bounce dress as Sandy bounces right back in again. Girls, this is something I was just saying before. Sandy's put this on with a little sneaker. I mean, how cute does it look? Throw it back with a little pop of colour with the yellow, and I mean, again, you're ready to go. Throw it on with a boot, little jacket over the top. Just a really good, versatile little dress. Now we've got our gorgeous Sarah.
Oh, Sam, love this outfit. You look great.
How's Sandy? Yeah. This is our rib long line cardi. We've got 2 colours in this, girl. So you've got it in this really beautiful mustard, or of course the classic black, which you can never go wrong with. Also too, Sarah's got on our stretch jean, which are amazing. Again, you'll probably hear me not talk a lot about the elastane, but again, how comfortable are they, Sarah?
They're really comfortable. Definitely do my squats in these ones.
No yoga?
No yoga. I do my squats.
They're not your yoga pants, not your yoga outfit, is it, Sam?
Told you, Sandy, I don't do yoga.
Great.
So thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
Then we've got Step Back. Now, a lot of us are all, again, comfort. Great little jean. This is our little denim jogger. Again, super comfortable. Got the cute little elastic around the waistband of the bottom of the jean. 2 little front pockets. I mean, you can't get enough
I think I
pockets.
need a pair of those.
Yes. And of course, a cowboy
hoodie.
hoodie. Yeah. I don't know where you're all watching from, but guys, up here in the Monero, we're in for a really, really cold next 4 days, and the snow apparently is going to start falling today.
It already has.
Already has.
Bring it on.
Saying that, so
I'm going to step out and put something more on.
Okay. So again, great little top sitting by the fire, glass of red wine. Hello, bring on Friday. Thank you so much, Steph. Again, we've got our gorgeous shirt coming back again. Now this is another in what we call our true knit. So a true knit is actually a jumper fabric. So this is a new style that we only received yesterday in the nest. And I must say it's selling unbelievably well, which is so good. She's wearing the gorgeous, like it's a really deep red, and we also have it available in black as well. This is tied back with our little pull-on jean. Again, super comfy and just a great little look.
Yeah, they're super comfy.
Yeah.
Different. You're going to buy those, Sher?
I have to buy a pair.
We all are into comfort. That's, the main thing for me. And we have Sarah back again. Now Sarah has on, this is one of the ones I was telling you about when we first started, girls. This has just landed in the nest. Again, 2 colours. We've got this beautiful khaki green, and then we've also got it in a black, so it's like a dark grey marl. This is our free fall cardigan. Again, it's just a great layering piece. You could put that over like with what I've got on, which is our spliced maxi dress. So just a perfect little thing that you can do with your layering. Also underneath, would you like me to take your cardi for you? Thank you. Sandy and I have been working as dresses for the models today, and I'm glad to say they did get out of bed for under 10,000.
Yeah, they're hard work though. We had to get their shoes for them and everything.
We just have a question. Could you tell us how tall everyone is when you come back in? Sarah, we can start with you.
I'm approximately 170 centimetres.
Great.
Give or take.
And Susan?
And, girls, I'm old school. So I'm about 5'6", so multiply that by 350, wow, 6, 80 centimetres. My father would be very proud.
That's not right.
That's not right. That would make you 6 foot. I think you're about the same height as me, Susan.
Yeah, so,
and I'm 167.
Okay, let's go with that. Anyway, back to Sarah. Again, this is the same little jumper that Cher just had on, but in the black, as I said to you. So we've got the 2 colourways, and again, gorgeous. And we still have our stretch jean on, which again, super comfortable. Ladies, again, elastane. Can't live without it. Best invention that's ever been made. As far as I'm concerned.
Word fair.
Yeah, well done, Sarah. We all like that.
Oh, I'm going to do my own first.
I
What do you think?
love,
I dress myself.
Yeah.
What do you
Good
think,
job.
Susan?
Beautiful.
Done all right?
I absolutely love this outfit. This is our distressed jean. Now, girls, the blue has nearly sold out online, but we still do have the black. In saying that, though, we are in the process of reordering. So just really cute, comfortable, a little bit of distressing, not too much.
Well, you don't always want to wear a tight jean. So I know I've got these in the blue. Totally recommend them. I'm actually waiting for the 10 to come in the black, so I can have the black as well. So in the perfect poncho, which we have made in lots of colours, girls. You've seen it before, but this is a new colour, very on trend for this season.
Looks amazing. And to style it back with the white shirt as well, I think is really, really nice, and it gives it a bit of freshness. Otherwise, turtlenecks. That's our long line tunic blouse.
Yeah, it's a little bit see-through, so you will need to wear a slip. I've got a slip on with it. But let me tell you, the texture of this blouse is absolutely beautiful. You have to feel it to believe it. I'm 167 centimetres tall, girls.
And I'm going to stick with Sandy.
Yeah, I think we're about the same. Let's have a little look. Oh, what do you reckon?
Social distancing.
We're social distancing, but what do you think, guys? Are we similar? Yeah.
Pretty much, got much more. Okay, now we've got gorgeous Steph back again.
Ooh, I love
And again, this is one of our new deliveries that has just landed in the nest, and this is our luxury cord blazer. Now, girls, it is what we call in cord. You call it by a whale. Don't ask me why. But this is a really fine cord. Again, you've got your elastane, so it's beautiful and it can move and just super comfortable.
It almost looks like velour, Susan.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
It's a really why we gave it the name of
Really
Wax,
cute.
which is really, really gorgeous.
It's got great seams in the back, beautiful shape, gorgeous.
Good shaping.
Thank you, Steph.
Thank you, honey.
Oh,
Love. Now this is just the bomb.
I need to be
sure
shirt's height.
I need to grow.
Yeah, I'm 172 centimetres tall. Yeah, and I'm wearing a size 14 to 16.
So this, girls, again, this is another one that's just landed in the nest, and it's our beautiful removable cow neck poncho. So the gorgeous thing with this is you can add the little snood and wear it with a poncho, or another great thing is that you can just tie it back with a little dress again, something like I've got on. I can just use that as a snood and use it as a scarf as well.
Or if you get a bit hot like I'm getting at the moment, you can take the snood off.
We girls over a certain age know about the hot, and we need the neck to breathe.
Yeah, a lot of it. And it's really super,
It's beautiful. It's a really, really beautiful. I mean, it's a hero piece for your wardrobe.
You look gorgeous.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. And then we're back with our gorgeous Sarah again. And I hate to sound like a broken record, but girls, again, this just landed in the nest, and I cannot thank our styling team enough. Dana, thank you, hun, we love you. That she's done an amazing job to get this all live and get it up on the Nest website for us today. So this is a great little throwover. It's that new, I've nearly forgotten the name of it, which is a really good thing to do.
That's okay, you can find it on our landing page, guys. There's a link to the page with all of our outfits from today. So you can go straight there and see everything that we've shown you today. Sarah, you look great in that.
Gorgeous.
Thanks, Sandy.
What about those stretchy things? Aren't they great?
They are. They've got a really nice stretchy waist, these ones. Okay, spot proof.
I'm not even going to mention yoga. I'm not mentioning yoga.
Yep, and we've got another great little top underneath.
Yeah. So that's our little swing tunic. So again, you can see how great it ties back in with denim. And I mean, again, wear it with a little boot, exactly how Sarah has styled it herself, or back with a little runner, and it looks just as cute. Gorgeous, hun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, girls. So excited to have you with
So
us,
nice.
Susan.
Thank you so much. I hope you did
Super well on your first life, didn't you, girls? Give her a big clap. Thank you to our beautiful models again.
Yeah.
And we hope to bring you another live again. Thank you so much for all the love you give us on our lives.
Huge.
We feel very loved, and we hope you enjoy it at home. Please take a look at the landing page, all the outfits and all the items you've seen today. On the link, just click and you'll see everything, and you can shop the parade. So hopefully you are all going to have a beautiful weekend, and you're all staying safe, and
We'll
I
see
know
you
we
soon.
are. Yeah, we'll see you next time.
Thank you.